Have you ever gotten halfway to the lake and realized you forgot something important, like a life jacket, sunscreen, or maybe a paddle? After taking my 3 boys to the lake for a number of years, I've realized the key to a successful lake day isn't what actually happens when you get to the lake. It's everything you do to prepare and plan before you head to the lake. I'm Brad and this is Dad Ops. In this video, I'm going to teach you my 5 a.m. lake day system that's going to teach you how to pack, prepare, plan, and set yourself up for success and an amazing lake day. We'll probably have some fun with these guys along the way. Come check it out.
Every lake day starts with coffee and a quick check of the weather. Wind can change everything when you're paddle boarding, especially with kids, so I always like to know what we're walking into before I start packing.
I always start with the biggest things getting loaded in the truck first, so then I can figure out where everything else is going to fit.
The big items today include 2 kids' kayaks, my stand-up paddleboard. After the big stuff is put in the truck, up next we pack 2 bags. One is called a beach bag, that's the blue bog bag, and the other one's called a shore bag, which we like to think of as more of a fun stuff that's going to stay on the shore.
This is where we have all of our sunscreen. I like this side here because it has a parenting pocket. This is where I'll put my phone and keys and everything like that. 3 bathing suits, and then this is where we'll put our towels. So then this will live on the beach, and then the boys will know if they need sunscreen or if they need something else. This is where they can run and grab it, or if they need a towel. This is also where we pack our beach ponchos. Our boys have really liked these recently. They're sort of like towels with a hood and a hand pocket. Really good for the end of the day. I'll get that one loaded up. Next is what we call our shore bag. First aid kit. That would have all the stuff we could need, medicines, bandages, things like that. And this will have anything that we'll need to have on the shore. Things like the fin, paddleboard pump, shoreline for the dog, bone for the dog. The beach we're going to is very rocky, so we'll have water shoes for each boy. Then we have goggles for each boy, and goggles for Dad.
Just to show you the system here, this is what we call our shore bag. This has all the fun stuff for the beach, and then the other bag is what we call our beach bag. This has our towels, swimming suits, and that's where our dry clothes will go when we change at the beach. Now you can obviously call these bags whatever you want, but my wife and I have found by naming them something that's easy for the kids to remember, like beach bag, which I'm loading up here, then if I need to tell the kids where something is, I can say it's in the beach bag and they know exactly what I'm talking about. In goes the shore bag here. Benefit of packing the large items first is that now I know where the large items live, so it's easier to put the smaller things in. The next thing that's going to get packed up is the Kelty Lowdown 3-person camp chair. I recently named it my #1 essential dad gear in a video that I posted, and I'll link that down below. You should check it out. Now that all the gear's packed, it's time to get snacks, lunch, and water prepped. Getting this prep work done before the house wakes up is so much easier than trying to do it when my kids are awake. This way I can focus on packing everything and getting everything loaded in the truck before the rest of the house is even woken up. On the menu today are some Hawaiian rolls with cheddar cheese, ham for the kids. These have become our go-to staple summer sandwiches. Some chipotle mayo and some roast beef sandwiches for Dad. Get loaded into our snack boxes here. Up next will be some fruit, some nectarines and apples. Oh, and I snuck some Sour Patch Kids in there, don't tell Mom. Those go into the cooler, followed by a block of Yeti ice, some chips, a whole bunch of chips, and we close it up, get it in the truck. Certainly, doing all this work before the kids wake up is the way to go. One last final check to make sure we didn't forget anything. Double check you have life jackets and paddles, and then it's time to get the crazy kids up. This is why I get up early.
Yay! Let's go!
Up next was a 45-minute drive to our secret spot on the lake. I'm not trying to tell you that anything in this video is revolutionary or probably something you've never heard before, but this system has revolutionized the success and happiness we have anytime we head to the lake. Lake day! The whole point at getting up at 5 isn't about checking boxes. It's buying time for fun during the day. Time to be present with the family, time to paddle, time to explore, and time to make memories with these crazy guys.
Pretty good spot to have some lunch.
This has been Dad Ops. Go get it. Woo!
If you've made it this far in the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and a like or subscribing to the channel. I'm Brad, and this is Dad Ops. Now go get it.